Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you sample text by converting into title, subtitle, quote style and also headings, right? By using headings, we also can create even table of contents. So first we understand titles and again we discuss how to create table of contents using the title styles. Okay. So first I'll type some as a sample text. This is what the sample text. So when you type the sample text, so here I am typing sample text. I'll make some copies just to make you understand the differences. So by default the normal text will be by default the normal style is pre-activated in MS Word. By default the normal style is activated, and in the normal style where you can see the space between the lines, and if you wanted to reduce the space between the lines you can simply select as instead of selecting normal style you select as what, no space. So the text line will be very close to the usual. So this is what the normal text style and this is what the no space text style. And next I'll be converting this normal text into the different styles. So select the text from the home tab, go to the styles group. From there I'll be clicking on the handler where I can view all the type of the text styles. So first I have selected the sample text and I'll be confirming the sample text as title. So this is what the title. This is how it looks like, and I'll be selecting the second line and I'll be converting this as subtitle. Yeah, that's a subtitle, and again I'll be selecting the third one, that is I'll be confirming as the heading number 1. This is what heading number 1, and select the text once again, and heading number 2, select the third level of text and I'll be confirming as heading number 3. And this is how the text styles are going to appear in MS Word. And after that, after inserting the text styles, you also can increase or decrease the sizes by using the font group, where you can see where you can increase the font size, where you can decrease the font size, where you can change the color, where you can make them into bold, right? So there is so many things to be performed from the font group. If you wanted to increase or decrease, or if you wanted to apply any colors, you can do the same. So this is what the text default styles. So I'll just erase all the data. So right now I'm going to show you the creation of a document using the text styles and converting that titles into a table of contents, like by using the page numbers. Yeah, so first let's say we are going to prepare a textbook for computer basics. So how to prepare a computer basic textbook? By creating table of contents, right? So from the first page I'll be clicking on middle alignment and I'll be activating title, and I'll be once again confirming as middle alignment, and I'll be typing the heading as computer basics. This is the first heading as computer basics. So after giving the title, I'll be giving some default introduction as 10 and close bracket. So I'll be adding totally 10 paragraph is a default introduction. After the introduction, I'll start explaining the computer fundamentals. So I type here as fundamentals, and I want to keep these fundamentals as the heading number 1, and again I'll be going down. So equals to rand open bracket some 5 paragraphs. So after the fundamentals I wanted to explain about MS Word. So again I'll type here MS Word, and I'll type here MS Word. So I'll select this text of MS Word. I'll be confirming as this is the main heading, fundamental is the main heading, so heading 1. Even the MS Word also, Microsoft Word also is the main heading, so I'll be confirming as heading number 1. So I'll be giving some introduction to Microsoft Word by giving some default text equals to rand open bracket 10. So I'll be inserting dummy paragraph just to make you understand the process. So there is an explanation of Microsoft Word. For this little explanation has been given. After the Microsoft Word, I'll be adding Microsoft Basic. That will be the heading number 2. Microsoft Word is a heading number 1. Next, I'll be writing here as MS Word Basics. I want to keep here MS Word Basics as heading number 2. Heading number 2 is what? Microsoft Word Basics. Let's say we are explaining MS Word Basics here by adding around 100 paragraphs and close. After explaining MS Word Basics, I'll be explaining again MS Word Advanced. So even I want to keep this Advanced also as the heading number 2. I'll select only MS Word Advanced, and I'll be confirming MS Word Advanced as heading number 2, and E equals to rand open bracket 50 paragraphs and close. Let's say we are going to explain these MS Word advanced topics in the 50 paragraphs. That after that I'll be giving some bonus lectures. So MS Word, the bonus topic, BONUS bonus topics, and let's say we are going to explain something extra about the MS Word. So I'll be confirming these thing as the heading number 3. This is not a main heading, so I'll be confirming as heading number 3. Yeah, so MS Word is a main heading, and MS Word Basics, MS Word Advanced is a heading number 2, and bonus topics is heading number 3. It's very simple data, right? So I'll go to the top page. I'll go to the first page by pressing Ctrl plus Home, and I'll just make it down. I'll keep into normal text, and here I want to insert a table of contents. So very simple. Just keep your cursor on the first page and go to References tab. From the References tab, you click on Table of Content. There you can see either the automatic table number 1 or automatic table number 2. Just select any one. I select the automatic table 1. Now we can see the table of content has automatically started, where fundamentals started. Fundamentals explained in page number 2, and MS Word is a main heading. Heading number 1 started on second page, and MS Basics, Microsoft Word Basics started on third page, and MS Word Advanced Topics started on 11th page, and the level 3 heading, that is H3, heading number 3 is about bonus topic, which is going to start from page number 15. So here heading number 1 fundamentals and MS Word, heading number 2 Microsoft Word and Basics, and heading number 3 Microsoft Word bonus topics. And if you wanted to access the MS Word Advanced from the keyboard, just press Ctrl and click on Advanced. So directly it will take you to the Microsoft Word Advanced. Again I'll be adding, let's say after explaining everything about the MS Word, let's say we are going to explain something about even Excel. So next I'll be creating again the new heading for even the MS Excel. So I'll just go down. You can directly press Ctrl plus N from the keyboard to go to the last page, or you also can use even the scroll button to go to the last page. So after explaining about the bonus topics, even I would like to explain even about the MS Excel. So I'll go to the next page. So MS Excel will be again the heading number 1. So I'll type here MS Excel. So MS Excel will be the basic text. So select MS Excel, and I'll be confirming MS Excel as heading number 1, as this is a main topic. So in MS Excel I'll be giving some basic introduction, equals to rand, around 5 paragraphs, and enter. So from the Excel first I'll starting here again MS Excel Basics. So MS Excel Basics, select the text, and I'll be converting this MS Excel Basic from normal text into heading number 2. So heading number 2 MS Excel Basics. Let's take an example. You are going to explain MS Excel Basics in around 100 paragraphs. So just go down, and again I'll type here even MS Excel Professional Topics. So MS Excel Professional Topics, I'll just confirm this also as an heading number 2. So simply select the text and confirm as heading number 2, and I'll be explaining this topic in around 50 paragraphs, equal to rand 50, and close bracket, enter. After explaining even MS Excel Advanced and Professional, let's take an example. You are going to give some MS Excel even bonus topics. So I'll confirm as MS Excel and the bonus topics, and this is a side heading or subheading. I'll confirm MS Excel bonus topics as the heading number 3. And after giving that, let's take an example. You are going to type the total text into around 10 paragraphs and enter. You can see the current active page was what, 29, not even 29, it is 30. So now the total pages that we are using in this document is 30 pages, and Ctrl plus Home to go to the first page. But still you can see the table created previously, the table is not updated. Again, if you wanted to update the table which is already created, then go to References tab and click on update table. So when you click on update table, it will be asking you, do you want to update only the page numbers? No, I wanted to include new headings with page numbers. So click on update entire table and click on OK. Then the new MS Excel heading 1, heading 2 basics and also professional topics, and heading 3 bonus topics will be added into the table of contents automatically. Is it clear? So by using styles, you also can convert any normal text into headings. At the same time, by using headings, you also can create even table of contents. So only by creating headings, you can create the table of contents automatically, or else you should use even the manual table of content method. So it is better to create the titles using headings. Then you can simply create a table of contents like this. In the future, if your document is altered, you go to references tab and go to click on update table. The moment whenever you click on update table, automatically the new data will be auto captured automatically. So this is how we create text styles and create a table of contents in MS Word application. Thank you.